So I'm going to be giving a tip on how you can use Twitch on the Nintendo Switch OLED. So the thing about streaming apps on any Switch is that a lot of them can be laggy or not work right. The good news is Twitch works extremely well. So in order to get it, you just got to go into the eShop and search for it. And it's going to be a free download, so you don't have to pay for it, obviously. So I'm just going to go into the search bar here. You could type in Twitch, or if you just do like TW, it should pull up right at the top left. Okay, so when I search for it, it's going to say that I purchased it. It just says that whenever you download something on your Switch, but like I said, it's free. So we're going to click on it. Got that logo looking pretty slick. All right, then we're just going to click the download button here, click OK. Then it's going to start to download on our home screen. So the download should take probably like 10 to 20 seconds max. Then we're going to open it up and check it out. Now, like I said, anything that you watch on here, it's great. I mean, there's literally like no lag. It plays like it should. I'm just going to browse through and click on somebody's, live stream on here. Let's go with this one. Okay, so we are going to have to deal with a couple ads, so just bear with me here. But I mean, even the ads playing on here look really good. All right, and we got the stream pulled up. Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, this app works extremely well on any Switch. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all in the next video.